For the flower stems, what I like to do is take the floss and kind of gauge roughly where I want my stems to be, and then start embroidering. So it's just for this case, it's just 3 simple straight stitches. And again, you can decide how many or how few flower stems that you want to put in your pot. So for the flower tops, what I like to do is just create some French knots because they look just like little flower buds. So if you want big flowers, put in a couple of knots. If you want small flowers, just put in one. The choice again is up to you because this is your pendant.